In this video lecture, we are going to look more into the math operators in C programming language. Okay, in the previous lecture, we were able to look into some of the math operators and we understood how this works. Now I'll take you into solving mathematical problems from the inputs you got from the user. Okay, so let's say I have these. I will remove everything here. And now I'm going to say printf. Remove everything right inside printf. Alright, so I'm going to request the user to give me an input. I'm going to say insert first number. Insert first number. So if the user gives me the first number, I'll go here and use scanf to collect that. So the very first number I'll be using scanf. Okay. So go here and put percentage D. But in a case where you're requesting a user might give you a float. So for you to be able to escape this, I will tell you to put these things to be in a float. Because a user might put 0.1 float and float. So float X, float Y, and float Z. So this is going to be percentage F. Alright. So for a comma, and this is for X. So go here and copy this, and let's request the user to give us the next one. So give insert second number. Insert second number. And don't ever fail to include this and sign here. Remember I told you that always put and sign so you don't run into any problem. So now you got a second number and that will be stored into the variable y. Now for a semicolon end of all these, for a semicolon end, so z is equal to x multiply y. X multiply y for a semicolon. And go ahead and print this out. I'm going to say the result of your numbers are, or in result of your numbers is percentage F. For this to be the next line, click comma and put Z right here. Okay. So now we have these for a semicolon end. So what we need now is, let's go ahead and run this code and check this out. So run this code and say insert first number 5, hit enter. Insert second number 6, hit enter. So the result of your number is 30.000. So let this be in just one decimal place. So go ahead and put this to be 0.1. And run this code again and let's check that out. So insert first number 45, insert second number 2, say the result of your number is 90.1. You see that? So in that way, you can go ahead and insert multiplication, division, and all other that which we did in the previous lecture. So insert first number 10, insert second number 12, hit enter. The result of your numbers is 22.0. You see that? I believe that is cool. You can be able to practice with this one and check that out. You can also do this maybe with the average. You can say that this is equal to, let's go here and say x plus y divide by 2 plus semicolon at the end. And let's run this code and check it out. Insert first number 50, insert second number 12. Say the result of your number is 31. That is 50 plus 12 divided by 31. So that is 50 plus 12 is 62, and half of that is 31. So I believe that is very cool. You can go here and practice with that and check it out on your own and make sure you're getting something similar like mine. And if you have any question, please use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.